Every fragrance has a journey. Before it reaches you, it begins here, crafted with precision and shaped by passion. Before it becomes a scent, it's a feeling, an idea waiting to take shape. The journey to a perfect fragrance starts beyond the lab, deep in nature, bringing innovation to fragrance using the most advanced machinery, doing countless tests before putting the final formula into production. Giving attention to every detail before it begins its journey to you. But before all this, let's remember the purpose of life.
Oh fuck, man.
Learn from the mistakes and rise again.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel Blend with Amit.